When you prioritize your health, you set the foundation for a happier, more fulfilling life. When you exercise and eat right, you have more energy, you sleep better, your mood improves, and you can handle stress more effectively. It's amazing how much of a difference a balanced diet and regular physical activity can make. You feel strong and confident. This newfound strength isn't just physical, it's mental too. You start to believe in yourself and your abilities, which can positively impact all areas of your life. It's time to put your health first. Make a commitment to yourself to start small and build up. Every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a step towards a happier you. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a race. It's about making sustainable changes that you can maintain over the long term. Enjoy the process and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Start slow and gradually increase your activity. Listen to your body and give it time to adapt. It's okay to take it easy at first. What's important is that you're moving in the right direction. Listen to your body and take rest days when you need them. Rest is just as important as activity because it allows your body to recover and grow stronger. The most important thing is to find activities you enjoy. Whether it's dancing, hiking, or playing a sport, doing something you love makes it easier to stay active and committed. That way, you'll stick with it. Let's get moving and embrace a healthier, happier lifestyle together. Your journey to a better you starts now. Want strong, sculpted shoulders? Look no further than the upright row. This awesome exercise targets your deltoids, the muscles that give your shoulders that round, defined shape. The upright row is a compound exercise. This means it works multiple muscle groups at the same time. You'll also engage your traps, upper back, and biceps. Talk about a time saver. Ready to build some serious upper body strength? Let's learn how to do the upright row with perfect form. Stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart. This is your starting position, and it's crucial to maintain a solid foundation throughout the exercise. Make sure your feet are firmly planted on the ground, providing a stable base for the movement. Your posture should be upright with your shoulders back and chest out. This stance will help you engage the right muscles and prevent any unnecessary strain on your lower back. Hold a dumbbell in each hand with an overhand grip, palms facing your body. Ensure that your grip is firm but not too tight, allowing for smooth movement. The dumbbells should be hanging naturally at your sides with your arms fully extended. This initial position sets the stage for the exercise, so take a moment to get comfortable and ensure your grip is secure. Keeping your back straight and core engaged, slowly lift the dumbbells straight up towards your chin. Focus on using your shoulder muscles to lift the weight, rather than relying on momentum. This controlled movement helps to maximize muscle engagement and minimize the risk of injury. As you lift, keep your elbows pointing outwards, maintaining a steady and deliberate pace. Your elbows should lead the way, staying slightly wider than your hands. This positioning ensures that you are targeting the correct muscle groups, particularly the deltoids. By keeping your elbows higher than your hands, you create a more effective angle for muscle activation. Remember to keep your movements smooth and controlled, avoiding any jerky motions. Pause at the top of the movement when your elbows reach shoulder height. Squeeze your shoulder muscles. This brief pause is essential for maximizing muscle contraction and building strength. Hold this position for a second or two, really focusing on the squeeze. This will help to enhance muscle definition and improve overall shoulder stability. Slowly lower the dumbbells back to the starting position, maintaining control throughout the movement. This eccentric phase is just as important as the lifting phase, as it helps to build muscle endurance and control. Make sure to lower the weights in a smooth, controlled manner, avoiding any sudden drops. This will ensure that you are working the muscles effectively and safely. Section 4. Consistency is key transforming your body and mind. In this section, we will explore the importance of staying consistent in your fitness journey. Whether you're just starting out or have been working out for years, consistency is the foundation of any successful transformation. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Just like the ancient city, your body and mind need time to develop and grow stronger. Every small effort you make adds up over time, leading to significant changes. The key to seeing amazing results is consistency. It's about showing up every day, even when you don't feel like it. It's about pushing through the tough days and celebrating the good ones. Consistency builds habits, and habits lead to lasting change. Make exercise a regular part of your routine. Find a schedule that works for you and stick to it. Whether it's a morning jog, an evening gym session, or a home workout, Consistency is what will drive your progress. You'll be amazed at what your body can achieve. Over time, you'll notice improvements in your strength, endurance, and overall fitness. Each milestone you reach is a testament to your dedication and hard work. But it's not just about physical transformation. The benefits of consistent exercise extend far beyond the physical. Exercise has incredible benefits for your mental health too. It reduces stress, boosts your mood, and improves sleep quality. Regular physical activity can help you feel more energized and focused throughout the day. So get moving, stay consistent, and enjoy the journey to a healthier, happier you. Embrace the process, celebrate your progress, and remember that every step you take brings you closer to your goals. Section 5. Join the movement. Did you find this essay helpful? Hit that subscribe button for more fitness tips and tricks. Give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to unlock your deltoid potential. Let me know in the comments what exercises you'd like to see next. Your feedback is important. Keep pushing, keep believing, and never give up on your fitness goals. You've got this.